Whilst we can't all be together to celebrate the switching on of the lights here in Canterbury this year, the Canterbury bid team have put together this wonderful virtual tour for you to enjoy. The spirit of Christmas is alive and well here in Canterbury, and the Canterbury businesses are looking forward to welcoming you as soon as it is safe to do so. Please continue to support the businesses that we love and cherish, and if you can possibly do so, please also support the Lord Mayor's Christmas Appeal. You will be supporting the delivery of parcels to those in need this Christmas. Before we switch the lights on, here is a message from Nurse Nellie.
Hello Canterbury! Now I'm really sorry that this year we won't all be able to be together to do the fantastic Canterbury Christmas light switch. But you can come and see me, Nurse Nellie, in Nurse Nellie Saves Panto here at the wonderful Marlow Theatre. Have a very happy Christmas, stay safe, and I'll see you all very soon.
And now, let there be light. That was brilliant.
Wake up, it's Christmas morning. The snow is starting falling. I can hear the choir calling, hallelujah. Wake up, the day is dawning. I hope this present's falling underneath the Christmas tree. Oh, what a wonderful sight to see. It's Christmas time. Wake up.